Hey, what's up? What's going on? I'm bringing you greetings from Tampa, Florida. Just here chilling at the pool, and I just want to take a moment to kick it with you. So if you are looking to start an online business with zero experience, but you have the opportunity to earn daily pay, then the webinar that's happening on Wednesday is for you. And let me tell you something. Going to webinars like the one that's going to happen on Wednesday is what funded a lot of my vacation. So let me just take a minute and let me show you where I'm at. I'm chilling with my business bestie. It's her birthday. That's her and her daughter. And we're just here chilling. And I love the fact that it's just us. It is just us. The pool is beautiful and it's warm, like bath water. We're going to head over to the beach later, but I just wanted to take a moment just to let you know that is happening on Wednesday. So I've gone to, what happened for me was about 10 years ago, I was looking to get into the online space and I had no idea what I needed to do. And what I did was I attended a webinar similar to the one that's happening on Wednesday. And from there, I was sold because I said, oh, okay, I get to learn exactly what I need to do because I had zero skills. I didn't know what to do. I didn't even know how to post on Facebook, right? Somebody said to post something, I didn't even know what to do. And today, because of those webinars that I had gone and I've gone to and I took notes and implemented everything that I've learned, now I'm in the position where my income generated from going to these webinars fund my vacation. So if you want to know more about this webinar that is happening on Wednesday, make sure that you comment info, and I'm going to send the info right over to you. Also, you're going to get the exact blueprint that I follow to create content and sales, content that attracts my perfect customer to me, that makes it easy to make sales. So you will get that also. So make sure below this video you comment info. Make sure you put in your best email. Make sure that you do that so that you can get the blueprint, because I'm going to email it to you. So if you can't wait, just go to www.earningwithdaria.com and you will not only get the blueprint that I'm following, but you'll also get access to the webinar. See you. I'm getting ready to go back in the pool, y'all. Talk to you soon. Peace.